everyone, today we're going to be checking out the Jetson Bolt Pro again. I'm going to be answering your questions and showing you guys how to do certain things here. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. Comment down below anything you have for me, if it's a question or a suggestion, and enjoy the video. So a common thing popping up is this rear bike rack. I got it at Dick's Sporting Goods. I'll put a link down in the description below. It basically goes on the seat post and it can carry 20 pounds. It seems pretty strong, but you shouldn't put anything heavy on it because it may fall or turn. Another thing is bike locks. Though there aren't many places to put and thread the loop to, there is a handle in the middle. You can see it's pretty wide. You can fit one through there. Probably not the big ones, but a small one would fit there. You can also thread the cable through the front in the bar, wrapping around the front wheel. But keep in mind that it's easy to take out through the hex nut there, you can see, so I don't recommend doing this as well. If you have a small one, a sturdy one would be this back one here. You can see behind, in front of the back tire, there's a little small loop here. You can thread yours through there. You can also thread it through the spokes of the tire. These tires look pretty strong, especially with the nice coating they have here. So I think putting it through the tire is your best bet because it is hard to take out and it is very strong. And if you want to make it compact for carrying in the car or at work, you can simply flip the latch on the front. It takes a little effort sometimes, and then fold down the handlebar diagonally, and it doesn't go down super compact, but it's compact enough to go a little lower in the car in the trunk. You can see I have the water bottle holder blocking, so I can easily flip that to the side and make it a little more compact. And you can also adjust the seat, make it lower or take it out so that it's lower in the back as well. The last asked question is pedal assist. All you need to do is turn on the unit and then pedal, and you'll get the automatic assist, perfect for uphills. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do comment down any questions about the Jetson Bolt Pro or about anything else. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and like the video. Check out our other Jetson Bolt Pro videos. I'll put links to all the products I reviewed here, and thanks for watching.